Hello, my name is Alutrrick, Kenney, Surrogate for the County of Essex.
And I'm Crystal West Edwards. I'm an attorney at the law firm Porzio, Bromberg & Newman, right here in the great state of New Jersey.
And today we're having a conversation about protecting your assets in life and in death.
In doing that, there are a number of things that people should be aware of. At the end of the day, your will is only as good as the money that you have when you die. And so a part of this discussion that we're having is to make sure that not only do you have a robust plan during your lifetime, but also have designated where you want things to go at your death, you have best you can protected your assets, so when you do pass, there is actually something to implement and to pass on to your next generation.
So Crystal, what is estate planning?
So estate planning is essentially 3 key documents with 1 honorable mention. Wills, powers of attorney, and medical directives are the 3 key documents. A will says that I got some stuff, I got some people I want that stuff to go to. Here's how I want them to get it, and here's the person who I want to do the work to make sure that the people that I want to get it and get it right. A power of attorney, on the other hand, as well as a medical directive, those are living documents that are really only effective during your lifetime. The first one, the power of attorney, is where you're saying, I appoint someone to stand in my shoes to make legal and financial decisions for me now or at a future time if I can't make the decision myself. A medical directive, on the other hand, is where you're appointing someone to make medical decisions for you. The honorable mention that I speak about are trusts. And trusts are something that are really a hot topic right now. A trust is basically an invisible box around money. And we put that invisible box around that money for different reasons. Trusts come in many different flavors. We do them for creditor protection. We do that to protect money or hold money for minor children, for people who may have disabilities or are not otherwise able to manage their affairs. But other reasons why we have trusts are sometimes for tax saving purposes or just to shield those assets from other creditors or other claims. A trust is not for everyone and it's not for all purposes.
So thank you for joining us for this very important conversation, and thank you, Crystal, for providing us a wealth of information as well as the tools about what we can do. So now, what's next?
So first, thank you so much for having me. So we spoke about 2 things. We spoke about estate planning, but then we also spoke about asset protection planning. Spoiler alert, lawyers specialize in the same way that your doctors do. So you can see an estate planning attorney with any questions that you have about wills, powers of attorney, medical directives. But when it comes to asset protection planning for long-term care purposes, it is very, very important that you see an elder law attorney. www.nelf.org is a website that you can go to find a certified elder law attorney in your local area. One thing is certain, life changes.
So don't get caught off guard. Plan today.